Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Magnus Carlsen and Kristian Holm. This is a game from Pro Chess League, played in 2018. Magnus Carlsen had white pieces and he started with a3. This odd-looking move, or opening, has a name: Anderssen opening. Kristian Holm played g6 and now h4. Tiny bit unusual for a world champion to play like this. However, this last move makes sense. White is intending h5. So, Kristian Holm played h5, preventing Carlsen from playing h5. e4, c5. This is a position I saw when I was a child. I watched two drunk men playing chess in a pub. In this position, player with white pieces was thinking for a long time, and I expected a powerful move, something like thunder from the sky. And then player with the white pieces finished his beer and captured his own king. I left. Carlsen played the more serious move. Bishop to c4, bishop to g7, knight to c3, knight to c6, knight to f3, d6, knight to g5. Should I say that after playing his funny opening, Carlsen continued to play seriously. e6, that was knight takes on f7, d3, knight from g to e7, bishop to a2, knight to d4, knight to e2, knight from e to c6, knight to f4, knight to e5, c3 attacking the knight, knight from d to c6, f3, queen to b6, queen to e2, queen to a5, bishop to d2, lining the bishop with the black queen, queen to b5, bishop to e3, defending the pawn on b2, b6, and both players castled kingside. Well, Carlsen is ahead in development, so Carlsen is standing better. a4, attacking the queen, daring black to take on a4, queen to a6. If queen takes on a4, bishop takes on e6, discard attack on the black queen. So we have queen to a6, queen to d2, queen to a5, queen to f2, queen to a6, rook from f to d1, knight to e7, d4, c takes on d4, c takes on d4, knight to c4, attacking the bishop on e3, and Carlsen captured the knight. Queen takes on c4, rook from d to c1, queen to a6, rook to c7, invasion on the 7th rank. White is standing much better. Defending the knight. White to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? Magnus Carlsen played knight takes on f7. Did you see this coming? King takes knight. Queen to g3, intending to capture the pawn on g6, with the queen or with the knight. King to f6. If something like, let's play a random move, d5, then queen takes on g6, check, and white is winning. So, king to f6, unpinning. White to move. What would you do now? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this move? Queen to g5 check. This is what Carlsen played. But there was another move available, and that is queen takes on g6 check. Sacrificing the queen in order to checkmate. Next move. Did Carlsen miss this move? No, he didn't. He just didn't see it. Let's go back to our game. So Carlsen played queen to g5 check. This is also winning. Just takes a bit longer. King to f7, knight takes on g6, Bishop to f6, attacking the queen. Queen takes on h5. King to g7, bishop to h6, check. King to g8, knight takes on e7, check. Rook takes on e7. White played a move and black resigned, and the move is queen to g6, check. Black resigned in view of this continuation. King to h8, queen takes bishop, check. King to g8, queen to f8, check. King to h7, queen takes rook, check. King takes on h6, and now white plays the obvious. And the obvious is queen to h7, checkmate. Very interesting game. And the opening too. It looks like Carlsen can make any move in the opening and still win. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.